Imagine working hard for months. You deny yourself little pleasures. You postpone other expenses. Finally, you save enough money to buy a solar panel. You get home excited. The installer mounts it on your roof. You can't wait to enjoy steady electricity. But after a few weeks, your battery hardly charges. Your inverter keeps complaining. Now you are looking for the seller. His phone is switched off. His shop has disappeared. Sadly, this is happening to many Nigerians. As solar becomes more popular, fake and substandard panels are flooding the market. Some are complete counterfeits. Others are rejected factory products, repackaged as premium brands. Now, this is the painful part. Most buyers don't discover the truth until it's too late. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how experienced solar professionals separate genuine panels from fake ones. We will cover the obvious signs, but more importantly, we will uncover the tricks many videos don't mention. By the end of this video, you will know what to check before paying a single naira. When people buy solar, they usually focus on one thing: will it power my house? But here is the bigger picture. A bad solar panel doesn't only produce less electricity, it can quietly destroy the entire system. Your batteries may never charge properly. Your inverter works harder. Instead of saving money, you begin replacing expensive components years earlier than you should. A fake panel doesn't just steal today's money, it steals tomorrow's money too. Let's start with the mistake that traps the most people: the price. Many people immediately think, "I've found a bargain." High quality solar panels require expensive silicon cells, tempered glass, strong aluminum frames, strict factory testing, and quality control. If everybody else is selling within a similar price range and one seller is dramatically cheaper, don't celebrate yet. Investigate first. Now, let's pay attention to the panel itself. You don't need expensive equipment, just pay attention. Start with the solar cells. They should be evenly spaced. The lines should be straight. The color should be consistent. Now listen. If some cells look darker, some lighter, or the alignment looks untidy, be careful. Now look closely at the glass. Good panels use high quality tempered glass. It should look clean and clear, not cloudy, not wavy, not distorted. Pick up the panel if you can. A genuine frame feels solid. The corners are tightly fitted. If the frame bends easily, or rattles, or looks roughly finished, that's another warning sign. Now, inspect the back sheet. Many buyers completely ignore it. Look for bubbles, peeling, poor glue, wrinkles, or signs that parts have been repaired. The label. Don't just glance at it. Read it. Does it clearly show the brand name, model number, serial number, maximum power, voltage, current, manufacturing information. Everything should be printed neatly, not crooked, not blurry, not peeling off. Now, compare those specifications with the manufacturer's website. They should match exactly, not almost, exactly. Some fake panels copy the logo, but the model number doesn't even exist. Ask politely, can I see the warranty? Do you have the data sheet? Can I have the serial number before I pay? Watch carefully. A genuine dealer usually answers confidently. A dishonest seller often becomes uncomfortable. He changes the subject. He rushes you. Trust is good. Verification is better. Type the brand name into Google. Visit the manufacturer's official website. If the serial number format looks completely different,
I must check the serial
or
number
the
on
model doesn't exist, stop, walk away. Even genuine panels can become bad purchase if they've been stored badly. Some panels spend months under rain. Others
Does
are
this panel
dropped
looks healthy
during
enough to be
transport.
trusted?
The damage may not be obvious. Tiny cracks can develop inside the solar cells. These are called micro cracks. You may not see them with your eyes, but over time, they reduce power output and create dangerous hot spots. So, don't just ask, is it genuine? Also ask, how has it been stored? When was it imported? Has this panel ever been stored before? Those questions alone can save you a lot of future headaches. People spend hours comparing panels, but only 2 seconds thinking about the seller. A reliable dealer has a reputation to protect. They usually have a physical address. They answer calls after the sale. They honor warranties. Sometimes paying a little more to a trusted dealer is actually the cheaper decision. Poor quality solar panels don't always fail immediately. Sometimes they work just badly. Sometimes they develop hot spots.
This was bought roughly 3 months
Sometimes
ago.
damaged
What could be wrong with
connectors overheat. Loose junction boxes can allow moisture inside. Combined with poor installation, that
The challenge I'm
becomes a
seeing here is
genuine
poor installation.
safety risk. Your roof, your inverter, your batteries, even your home. This isn't meant to frighten you. It's meant to remind you that solar is an electrical system. Quality matters. If you forget everything else I've said today, please remember this one question. Are you an authorized dealer for this brand? Then ask for proof. Not promises, proof. Buying solar in Nigeria shouldn't feel like gambling. Check the price. Inspect the build quality. Read every label. Verify the serial number. Ask difficult questions. Research the seller. Because 5 extra minutes today could save you hundreds of thousands of naira tomorrow. If this video has helped you, send it to someone who's planning to install solar. It might stop them from making one very expensive mistake. And if you enjoy practical, honest advice that helps Nigerians spend their money wisely, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.